I love the spec on this 675 LT, blue exterior, orange interior, with black Alcantara. Look at this blue paint. So beautiful. .720S Spider over there. Senna. How sick are these taillights on the Bugatti Chiron? W16 engine. Let's check out the interior. Here's the new DeTomaso P72. Just check out this interior. How beautiful is this? So over there is the DeTomaso P72, and over here is a 458 race car. Here's the interior of the 458 Challenge. This thing is sick. So is this Pista Coupe, Rosso Corsa, no stripes. I prefer it with the stripes. GTC4 Lusso, 812 Superfast, and a yellow LaFerrari. Let's go check that out. Here's a 720S Spider with black Alcantara interior. MSO defined Mirai white with blue brake calipers. So although this looks like it's blue, a very light blue, it's actually white. And right next to the 720S is a P1, 1/3 of the holy trinity of hypercars. Check out this carbon fiber rear wing. Here's a 600 LT Spider in MSO defined burnt blue. So you've got a blue 600 LT Spider, a blue P1, and a blue Senna all the way over there. And over here is an Arancio Borealis Aventador S Coupe with Dianthus center lock wheels, orange center locks, orange carbon ceramic brake calipers. legend, the Lamborghini Diablo. Over here there are tons of BMWs. It's hard to explain just how spacious this area feels and how many cars are here. There are so many cars here. Here's an Audi R8. I saw this car when it arrived here a couple of hours ago. Now let's go check out the Ford GTs here. We've got some older ones, a newer one, and a newer one over there as well. What a great spec on this Ford GT, red with the blue stripes. And this one has the carbon fiber wheels. And leave it up to me to find a G-Wagon, a 2019 AMG G63 with the Panamericana front grille, the brush guard. This might be a Spectator's car, I'm not sure. G63, polar white. It's always nice to see a G-Wagon at car shows. Over here is another modern Ford GT in blue. With an EcoBoost V6 engine and the carbon fiber wheels, silver brake calipers, no stripes. So that one has blue stripes, this one has no stripes, but they both have the carbon fiber wheels. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 Ford GTs here. Here's a 720S n-largo. Let's check out how sick this thing is. Here's the Pininfarina Battista electric hypercar. This thing is so beautiful. It's cool how the seats are two different colors. Here's a 488 Pista Colati. the Koenigsegg's, the 720S n-largo, and a bunch of other cars. And in conclusion, this has been the best car show I've ever attended, and I can't wait to come back next year. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.